So Cricket West Indies has engaged former greats Sir Clive Lloyd, Sir Vivian Richards and Brian Lara to help make the case to stakeholders in India to support West Indies cricket going forward because of how great we were 40 or 50 years ago. This is a covert admission that Cricket West Indies cannot credibly negotiate using the credentials of the current team and the current players. So we are down to begging for help based on our rich and storied legacy. But how long we're going to continue to make this legacy? Instead of addressing the downright incompetence and the embarrassingly poor quality of the current team and the current players, instead of marketing and promoting our top batsmen and our top bowlers, Cricket West Indies have resorted to milking the legacy and call on some former players in an attempt to try and save West Indies cricket. Now that right there is desperation 101.